Hello, welcome to our how to build a convertible fighter plane, Batplane video. You'll notice that most every fold I make is exactly in half in the middle. I draw a line on this to help show you a little better where the fold is. Just pay attention to which way the plane is pointing when I fold it, and you really shouldn't have any problems. Line up the corner with the middle. Do it to the other side. Fold them in. Make sure again that they go exactly to the middle. Now here's a little trick that most people don't know about. This is how to put a little bit of forward weight onto your plane. This keeps them flying straight, makes them go a lot farther than most other people's airplanes without the need of a paper clip or a weight. Once again, each time, these folds are almost exactly in half. Again, I'll draw a line to show you just about where the folds are being. Just remember, watch which way the plane is pointing, and you shouldn't have any problem making your fold. Each time we're mating up the center, right on the line. Now this is the only fold that's not going to be exactly in the middle. So again, we're going to draw a line and show you where it is. Once again, this is a quick and easy plane to make, and it's pretty fun to fly. Most likely going to outfly anything any of your friends can make. Alright, now we're going to make the airfoils on the wings. Once again, we're just going to basically fold it directly in half. Pretty simple, huh? Make two folds. Just going to turn it around and once again fold it directly in the middle. These are your stabilization wings, or stabilizers, keeping your plane on track. Where others fly in circles and flop on the floor, yours is going to be booking down the road, dude. And again, you just flip it over. Two folds on the other side. And you've just built a convertible Batplane. Okay, your folds are all complete. At this stage, it's just a fighter jet. Put a little piece of tape on the top of it, and there it goes. But you flip it over, pull it apart a little bit like that, and there you have it. Convertible Batplane. Put your piece of tape, if you want it to be a Batplane, on this side. Help keep the edges down. Pull out your foils a little bit. Get them nice and aerodynamic. There you have it. It's a cool Batplane. Now let's watch this thing fly, huh? One last trick. Flatten down the folds on the foil on the outside of the wings. This will give it a lot more stability and a lot longer flight. Good luck, everybody. Have fun flying.